Hello my friends, thanks for joining me. This is a beautiful day here in Ireland and I'm so glad to make this transmission for you, this sharing about what is the most important teaching and the most important piece of wisdom you really need to know and live by. And that is to live your own truth and follow your own guidance. Be authentic to yourself and express authenticity, your truth, our truths to the world, no matter what other people are expecting of us or trying to intimidate or control us to do, because we live in a world of enormous different energies and variations, like positive and negative energies, left and right, light and dark, okay? And in many of us in the past, and past lives included, would be extremely heavily influenced by what our immediate family would have wanted us not to do or to do, and what they would have controlled or manipulated or try and force us, expect us to do or not to do. And not just our immediate family, but our extended family, and also even our community. So being the black sheep of the family is a very good sign that you are awake and awakening. But it's difficult to go against the grain and to be a way shower, a leader, a pioneer. But yet, there's nothing more better, truer and deeper to live from our hearts and our authenticity, and to live our life, not a life what other people are trying to want us to live, you know. That's it's such a beautiful thing to follow our path and to be true to ourselves, and that is the greatest gift we could ever give, because the more we copy each other, then the more like copycats, robots, simulations, what's the word, like same things, copies that we have, and then there's no originality there. There's no our gift that we're offering and sharing, our energy, our unique stamp, our blueprint, our true higher self, our unique individuality. So the greatest gift truly is, and the greatest teaching is, to follow your own intuition, your gut instincts, your own heart, and live your own life. And this is the most rewarding and happiest life that we could possibly live too, because we get to explore and develop and to create who we are, not what others wants to be, which is a poor copy. You can never be a beautiful copy of somebody else who's more original. You know, it's just not the same energy. It's not the same whatsoever. It's like a snail or an ant trying to be a bug or a butterfly, or it just doesn't work out that way. Or a plant. You don't see any nature trying to copy. Nature and young children, as I say so often, are our greatest teachers in so many ways, because they are rooted in authentic being. At the age before they start living out of fear or expectations or copying, like for the young children. But there's a sense of just living nakedly in the moment, like pure, honest, 100% sincerity. You know, honesty at its best, really, in many ways. So, such a beautiful feeling to talk about this and to share this with you, and I hope you're doing well today. So, is there anything else to say on this topic? Not really, but I hope this video helps you, and thanks for joining. And to check out more of my what's it called, my videos, my teachings, my offerings, and my Facebook or Instagram, my website, my herb store. Check out owenfox.org and higherselfherbs.com. Befriend me in the social media, and be sure to share, like, and subscribe. To share with your friends, maybe that might help them too, as well as hit the notification bell button so you receive video updates in the future. And as always, I absolutely love and adore your comments and your feedback and just your overall love and support. So thanks very much, and have a gorgeous day.